Hello! Today I would like to present you something special, something that is my trade secret that I'm always using when I'm dealing with like a customer returns and broken stuff that I purchase use for repair on my channel. And this is this special magic eraser sponge that looks like a regular sponge, but it is made out of very special material that is being called melamine, and it's got very interesting property because it allows you to extremely well clean plastics like this that are being especially white and have got structure that is making like a scuffs go into and penetrate it. And with this, without any solvents, without any like a special powder for scratching, you can basically remove it and make that device looks like a brand new. This basically totally changed my life and make it extremely easy. Here I've got a regular tap water. This is not a solvent, this is not any cleaning solution. And as you can see, I'm just soaking my sponge with this. And if you take a look, I'm not sure if we will be able to remove that because that actually looks like some sort of paint. But here you've got a lot of dirt. Just take a look. Cleaning this is going to be pretty easy because they are scratches, as you can see, and it's embedding inside the material. But the melamine sponge should basically like disintegrate and create like a friction material to clean this up. So just take a look how magic is happening. I just have got a clean tap water. Can you see this? Just take a look at this. You are going like this and your sponge is going to be slowly like grinding off. But just take a look at this. You absolutely cannot argue with those results. Can you see this? Can you see? Here you've got those scratches. Can you see this? And you basically go like this. Can you see those? Sometimes you have to do a little bit more grinding and you are done. Just take a look at this. And let's give it this a try, but I'm pretty sure this will actually won't work. But maybe. That looks like a nail paint to me. To my eye. Can you see how it's being like disintegrated? We can go here with nice clean. And you tell me how it's presenting. Moment ago it was looking like a total garbage, but now it looks like came out straight from shop and it removed those tiny scuffs. Yeah, this is crazy. This is how I do it. So yeah, pretty crazy. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.